Hello, welcome back to Nursing Edu World. In this video, today we will discuss about definitions of psychology. The main important definitions are: psychology is the science of human and animal behavior. It includes the applications of behavioral science to human problems. That is, psychology is the science of human behavior. The words are Walter Bowers Pillsbury in 1911. Then next one, psychology is a science which aims to give us better understanding and control of the behavior of the organisms as a whole. The words are William, 1949. The next definition is the psychology is a science and the properly trained psychologist is a scientist or at least a practitioner who uses scientific methods or information resulting from scientific investigations. These words are N.L. Moon, 1967. The next one, psychology is the investigation of human and animal behavior and of the mental and physiological processes associated with the behavior. These words, Jackson, 1976. Scope of psychology. Do you know the scope of psychology? Yeah. The scope of a subject can usually be discussed under the following two headings. First one, the limits of its operations and the applications. Then second one, the branches, topics and subject matter with which it deals. Then the field of operations and applications of the subject psychology is too vast. First one, it studies, describes and explains the behavior of living organisms. Second one, it describes all types of life activities and experiences, whether cognitive or affective, implicit or explicit, conscious, unconscious and subconscious of living organisms. Then third one is it studies not only human behavior but also human experiences, language and other forms of communications. Then psychologists are interested in individuals' differences, either they be genetically determined or occurring as a result of learning. They study how individuals and society interact and how they behave as members of small and large groups. Then fourth one, it employs to all the living creatures created by the Almighty, irrespective of their species, caste, color, age, sex, mental or physical state. Thus, normal, abnormal, children, adolescents, youth, adults, old persons, criminals, patients, workers, officials, students, teachers, parents, consumers, etc. All are studied in the subject psychology. Then fifth one, it also studies the behavior of the animals, insects, birds and plant life. No limit can be imposed upon the scope of subject psychology. It has many branches, fields and subject fields. For convenience, it may be broadly divided into pure and applied psychology. Pure psychology provides the framework and theory. It deals with the formulation of psychological principles and theories. It suggests various methods and techniques for the analysis, assessment, modifications, and improvement of behavior. Then in applied psychology, the theory generated through pure psychology finds its practical shape. Here we discussed ways and means of the applications of psychological rules, principles, theories, and techniques with reference to the real practical life situations.